Hello, and welcome back to iDevice Support. Today I'm going to show you how you can lock WhatsApp with FaceID or TouchID. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to launch WhatsApp, and then in Settings, go into Privacy, scroll all the way down, and then tap Screen Lock. Under Screen Lock, you'll see an option to require FaceID. And underneath, you can choose if you want it to trigger immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after an hour. Well, I recommend triggering it immediately if you're referencing something in WhatsApp or checking something and constantly switching between apps. It does get annoying to constantly have to scan Face ID when you want to get back into WhatsApp. So if that's the case, I recommend setting it to 1 minute. Like that, if you close WhatsApp and you quickly check something in a different app and you go back into WhatsApp, it won't scan immediately. However, if you set it to immediately and you close and reopen WhatsApp, it will scan your face again. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.